Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x is equal to z to power of 1 over z minus 1, y is equal to z to power of z over z minus 1 to find the value of y to power of 1 over y. In the first step, we start by letting this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. From equation 1, in here, we have y is equal to z to power of z over z minus 1. And here we can write this as z to power of 1 over z minus 1 to power of z, right? This times this, it will be z over z minus 1. So, in next step, from equation 1, in here, z to power of 1 over z minus 1 is x. So, this is equals to x. So, from equation 1, this is equation 2. From equation 2, we write this, and from equation 1, y is equal to, this is x. So, x to power of z, right? And we let this as equation 3. And in next step, from equation 1, we have x is equal to, in here, z to power of 1 over z minus 1. So we write z to power of 1 over z minus 1. And from equation 2, we have y is equal to, in here, z to power of z over z minus 1. So, z to power of z over z minus 1. And from these two equations, y over z, y over x is equal to this over this, right? So we write z to power of z over z minus 1 over z to power of 1 over z minus 1, right? And in here, y over x is equal to, we can write this as z to power of z over z minus 1 minus 1 over z minus 1, right? And this is equal to z to power of z minus 1 over z minus 1. So, it will be y over x is equal to z to power of, this will cancel this, it will be 1. So, z to power of 1, it will be z. And here, we multiply both sides of the equation by x. So, we multiply by x, and this multiplied by x, it will be y. This x will cancel. And this times x, it will be x times z, right? And in next step, we reciprocal both sides of the equation. So, 1 over y is equals to 1 over x times z, right? And we let this as equation 4. So, we want to find the value of y to power of 1 over y. So, we write in here y to power of 1 over y. And from equation 3, y is x to power of z. So, we write in here y is x to power of z, and 1 over y from equation 4 is 1 over x times z. So we write in here 1 over y as 1 over x times z. And here we can write this as x to power of z times 1 over x times z. And here this z will cancel this, and it will be x to power of 1 over x. So our answer for y to power of 1 over y is equal to x to power of 1 over x. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.